Number 46. The process of evolution. A is a continuous process. It is correct. Evolution is a continuous process. B, it is a discontinuous process. That is wrong. C, was continuous in the beginning but discontinuous now. That is wrong. D, was discontinuous in beginning but continuous now. That is wrong. So the correct answer is A. Question number 47. Louis Pasteur's view on the origin of life is that Louis Pasteur supported theory of biogenesis, that is, life originated from living organisms. So the correct answer is B. Life originated spontaneously from living organisms only. Question number 48. Which is not true for Archaeopteryx? Not true for Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx was a connecting link between reptiles and birds. So it has a characteristic of reptiles as well as birds. Option A. Jaws are modified into beaks. It is a avian modification, avian characteristic. B. Tail is bony and long. It is also correct. It is reptilian characteristic. C. Forelimbs are modified to birds' wings. That is also correct. It is avian characteristic. And D. It is a connecting link between birds and mammals. That is wrong. So the not true statement is D. Question number 49. Miller used gases in reaction chambers. They were in Miller's experiment. He used H2, NH3 and CH4, hydrogen, ammonia and methane in the ratio of 2:1:2. So the correct answer is C. Question number 50. Island or continent where largest number of human fossils have been discovered. A. Europe, B. Africa, C. America, D. Asia. Correct answer is B. Africa. because Africa is the place where origin of human taken place. Question number 51. The primitive environment was reducing because in it A. CO2 was more, B. H2 was more, C. O2 was more, D. Ammonia was more. Correct answer is B. H2 was more. Question number 52. Biological species concept emphasizes on biological species concept states that members of same species are reproductively compatible. But are reproductively isolated from other species. So, A. Geographical isolation, that is wrong. B. Reproductive isolation, that is correct. C. Physiological isolation, that is also correct. D. None. Sorry, C is wrong, D is also wrong. So, correct answer is B. Question number 53. A species inhabiting different geographical areas is known as. Correct answer is A. Allopatric species. Allopatric species formed by allopatric speciation. It is the formation of new species by geographical isolation. Question number 54. Modern paleontologists have renamed Java man as A. Homo habilis, B. Homo erectus mojocartensis, C. Homo erectus mauritiensis, D. Homo sapiens. Correct answer is B. Homo erectus mojocartensis. Question number 55. Evolution is not a continuous process. Evolution is a jerky and discontinuous process. Evolution is a discontinuous and jerky process. This is the statement of Hugo de Vries, and he gave mutational theory of evolution. So the correct answer is C, mutational theory of evolution. Question number 56. Which one of the following sets represent the correct sequence of evolution of man? A. Kenyanthropus, Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Pithecanthropus, Homo sapiens. A is correct. B. Kenyanthropus, Australopithecus, Pithecanthropus, Homo habilis, and Homo sapiens. That is wrong. Pithecanthropus appeared later. C. Australopithecus, Kenyanthropus, Homo habilis, Pithecanthropus, Homo sapiens. That is also wrong. D. Pithecanthropus, Australopithecus. That is also wrong. So correct answer is A. Question number 57. The cells of the bacterium Staphylococcus remain arranged in the form of A. Plate, B. Cube, C. Irregular, D. Chain. Staphylococcus is a round bacteria arranged in irregular clusters. So the correct answer is C. Irregular clusters. Question number 58. If mating is random, population is large and mutation does not occur, then the gene frequencies of the population from generation to generation remains constant. This was put forwarded by, this is Hardy-Weinberg principle. According to this, gene pool should remain constant. So total frequency of dominant alleles plus total frequency of recessive allele is equal to 1. So the correct answer is C. Hardy-Weinberg principle. Question number 59. Factors affecting the Hardy-Weinberg principle are factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg principle. First, gene flow. That is correct. It will change the gene pool. Second, genetic drift. It will also change the gene pool. Third, mutation. It will also change the gene pool. Fourth, genetic recombination. It will also change the gene pool. Fifth, it will also change the gene pool. So the correct combination is D. Question number 60. Which primitive man used stones to produce fire? A. Java ape man, B. Neanderthal man, C. Cro-Magnon man. All of these. Correct answer is A. Java ape man.